here's the thing. AI is useless without relevant, valid data. So the more relevant, valid data you give it, the more useful AI is. And so what ReliablyMe does is it's a data generation infrastructure that generates a tremendous amount of, as I said, qualitative, quantitative data, evidence-based, objectively based on behavior, evidence of behavior and attitudes, right? So it's intrinsic. So if you're making an AI investment in your company and you want to improve your AI ROI, okay, you would want to find rich, valid data on the things that you want to use AI, so that you can use AI and demonstrate its exponential value over what you've been able to do before. I can't think, and I'm sure there's other examples, but offhand, I can't think of another example where something is generating this kind of qualitative, quantitative data in real time in such large quantities, and it's valid, and that would feed AI. It's a godsend for AI. I designed it and developed it before AI, but now that we have AI, it's so much more powerful. It's absolutely critical for AI to have a tremendous amount of contextual data that's valid, currently relevant. And if you don't have that, you don't have your AI usage results are going to be mixed. And so the more afraid you are of giving it data, the worse the results are going to be.
So based on the data that you're getting, you have qualitative and then you have quantitative. So how does the behavioral data change affect the person? Is your system will be able to, for example, predict, okay, these are the qualities that you have right now and that the company wanted you to be like this? Is
Right.
it also part of that?
Yes, absolutely. So you're tracking those big behavioral trends. So
Okay.
we're affecting behavior change through the commitments and the nudging. So it's designed to affect behavior change. And then we track behavioral outcomes, okay, as a result. Behavioral outcomes are a leading indicator of impact, the ultimate result. So you can see a trend. I mean, if behavior changes, your results are going to change as well.
Yeah, so it means, for example, because in an organization, you see there are people who talks a lot, but there's no to talks a lot, but less, there's less output. And there are people who are quiet, but they have maybe 80% of the department. They are doing all these things. So it will also manifest in this report that you have right now.
Yes, because it's subjective evidence. It's not just on how much you communicate through in meetings or in Slack or Teams, whatever it is that you're using, but also, and more particularly, is explicitly. You're being asked to do some things, and then you have to respond to those, and how you respond to them is evidence of your behavior. So it's subjective.